Hello there, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can find the kurtosis in the data. So kurtosis is the statistical concept where from the data you are trying to find the kurtosis of the data based on the dimension or based on the data set that you have. So if you're coming from stats background, I think no need to explain further. So let's go ahead and see how to implement the kurtosis chart function, the script function, and then the chart function. So here is the data that I am using. It has the type and value, which is a part of a cross table. So type is observation and comparison, and values are basically these values, which is related to each observation and comparison. So let's go ahead and see this, how we can implement the kurtosis function over here. So let's call it kurtosis itself, and then load type comma kurtosis function, and within that we will going to give it a value, and it will simply give us the kurtosis value, which can be used for the statistical analysis. As we need to give a name as Kurt1. I can't really figure out a good name because don't have the real business value around that or the business data around that. But kurtosis as Kurt1. We can apply the kurtosis on the distinct value as well. So I'll just copy this and again paste it here, but this time I will just use the distinct. So in that way, only distinct value, like you have repeated value of 2, 1 over here, 3 over here, so that will not come when we will apply the kurtosis. So let's see what will happen when distinct is applied, and resident of table 1, which is this, group by we have type semicolon. Well, that is it. Save it, load it, close it, and come over here in analysis. So if we take a table over here, add the dimension, come with the type, and one more dimension, which is Kurt1. So this is the kurtosis value. One more dimension for Kurt2. This is the kurtosis when only unique values or the distinct values were used. So that's about how you can get it from the back end. But how you can get it from front end, you can come over add column, click on measure, and we want it from value, right? So come into the expression editor and enter the function kurtosis and simply say value, click apply. So you get the value for each type, which is comparison and observation, but you get the overall kurtosis value of the entire data as well, since it is the measure and you are calculating in the front end. But that's about how you can calculate the kurtosis for your statistical analysis needs and get the output based on the dimensions or the selections that you want to make for your analysis. And that's about it. So I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.